This is the video replication for Week 8's weekly prep, part of the course Quantitative Analysis, Applied Inferential Statistics. Today, I want to introduce you to LaTeX, a typesetting system that is ideal for communicating computational work. I have two goals for today: to show you how to get started using LaTeX via sharelatex.com, and to show you how to get help when you need it. So first, I want to go through the weekly prep, which involves some basic getting started tasks with LaTeX. This is what ShareLaTeX looks like after you've logged in. You're all able to get a free account. Please don't pay for the advanced features for this class. It's important to know that ShareLaTeX is merged with a competitor, Overleaf, and the specifics of how you use both of these products may change in the near future. ShareLaTeX is an online service that includes access to a full LaTeX installation, something that normally you would have to download and install on your computer. There are a number of other benefits, such as easily sharing documents with collaborators, that we will also make use of this semester. To create a new LaTeX document, you will want to start by creating a new project. Keep in mind that LaTeX produces a single PDF output, but requires a number of input files to make that output look and read as desired. When we click on the New Project, we want to select Blank Project from the drop-down menu. We'll be prompted to enter a project name. You want to be specific here without being overly long. Weekly Prep 08 will do. When you have a project name, click Create and wait for your project to load. The editor window for ShareLaTeX has three panes. The leftmost pane contains a table of contents for all files associated with your project. Right now, you only have one, main.tech, but you will quickly accumulate more files as the semester progresses. To add files from your computer manually, you can upload them using this button. In the center pane, you can edit the LaTeX syntax associated with your project. The area above Begin Document is called the preamble. Everything that comes afterward generally will be reflected in the body of your document. If we click the Recompile button in the rightmost pane, we will generate a new version of the PDF output associated with our project. I strongly recommend doing this early and often when you are first learning LaTeX. The recompile process will not complete if there are errors, and if you check frequently for these errors, the problem-solving burden will be reduced significantly. Question 3 of the weekly prep asks us to make some edits to the preamble. Specifically, we want to make sure our name appears correctly inside the author macro. For me, I will add the PhD abbreviation after my name. I'll also edit the date macro so that it is more specific. I created this file on October 14th, so I'll add 14 into that date macro. For question 4, I'll add the suggested text. Notice how, when we start typing the LaTeX command, ShareLaTeX behaves similarly to RStudio. It will suggest commands that it believes you may be interested in. I'll select the LaTeX command from this list, click on it, and finish typing. After I'm done, I'll recompile the document and use the Download PDF button to download the output. On macOS, this automatically results in the file being opened, which you can see here. Now that we've created our first LaTeX file, I want to cover how to get help if you need it. If you run into issues on a particular assignment, share your project with me. Click the Share button in the upper right-hand corner and add my email, chris.prenner@slu.edu with a lowercase c, to your list of collaborators. I'll receive an email granting me access to your project. You should also let me know on Slack that you have a question and have shared the document with me. This process will allow me to view your LaTeX document and offer specific feedback about your questions.